Mother Nature, and Mother Nature loves old Father Time. Father Time got reckless and went out one dark night. Mother Nature called him out painting the moon up bright. Then along came Venus and she was on the prowl. Cupid shot an arrow, you ought to heard that rascal howl. Father Time's in love with Mother Nature, and soon the wedding bells are gonna chime. Father Time's in love with Mother Nature, and Mother Nature loves old Father Time. Father Time's a leader, I know he'll have to say, but Mother Nature helps him by showing him the way. So here's a drink to Venus, who leads us with her heart, and a big old snort to Cupid, the little fellow with the darts. Father Time's in love with Mother Nature, and soon the wedding bells are gonna chime. Father Time's in love with Mother Nature, and she's a big old fool about happy time.